Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Navara ST dual cab ute, stock reference number 5491. This shape runs from the 1st month 2010 through to the 8th month 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, factory fitted snorkel with all bolts and brackets, left power door mirror, left side step, supplied as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, ARB canopy with all bolts and brackets and keys, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, twin switch type. This vehicle is fitted with a manual center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.